G'day viewers, this is a quick tutorial on getting the BR185 Railpool livery version up and running from the TSW2 Turanda ramp Dresden to Chemnitz route. Let's do this. Alright, first thing we want to do is get our reversing handle in and get it to the neutral position. And we want to jump out of our seat. You can turn on LZB if you want to, but it's not needed on this route. Turn on PZB, which is our signalling and speed governance, and turn on CIFA, which is vigilance. You can set your PZB brake mode if you need to, depending on your train. That's a tutorial all by itself, so we're not covering it now. We want to set this to headlights, and we want to release the parking brake. Let's jump in the chair. Let's go into forwards now and turn on AFB. You may or may not have noticed there's actually a knob down here. If I jump out of the chair, you'll be able to see it.
AFB, AFB, AFB.
AFB is our cruise control. So let's turn off this annoying desk lamp. Instrument lights are already on, so that's fine. Let's set our signal lights to reduce to our headlights. We don't need to touch any of these at the moment. Over here we've got our PZB acknowledge and release and override. These are all set by themselves, they're all fine. If you need to put the pantograph up and down, it's this one. If you need to change the circuit breaker, it's this one. But most of the time you come into the train and these are already set up for you, so we don't really need to cover anything there. You've got your direct brake, which in this case is in release, but you can put it into apply if you wish. Or release. You've got a CIFA button down here. And we've got the electric brake and the train brake. They're ganged together most of the time, especially if you're using a rail driver. They just work together. Alright, so we're in forwards. Let's set the speed. Let's just set 25 kilometers an hour on the AFB lever. So that's this one over here. And I've used my rail driver for that. And let's release the brakes. Bit of horn action. And we can apply some power and we should get going. We're not going to need much because we're just by ourselves, I think. We are, look at that. And off we go. And you can see the blue bar there is applying power. So I'll show you in a moment. If I reduce the AFB, you'll see that go the other way and it'll become a yellow bar. So we've now got the yellow bar, which is showing that we're applying electric braking. So let's just go back to our 25. And that, to be honest with you, is about it. If you want to go the other way, you just set the reverser here to reverse. Q key to acknowledge CIFA. We're not going to be doing a PZB tutorial, but it's page down to acknowledge and an in key to reset it if you need to. And that's it for this tutorial, folks. Simple as that. Oh yeah, if you need to put the brakes on, you can just do that anytime you want. And when you stop, throttle off. Very good. Okay, done. Thanks for watching, folks. I hope you enjoyed it. I always like to get your feedback in the form of likes and comments because they help me understand what you want. Give the channel a subscribe and click on the tinkly things so you don't miss out on any new stuff. And thanks for your ongoing support. And please, be safe out there.